In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. We're constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands on our time. But what if there was a way to find peace and stillness amidst the chaos? A way to reconnect with ourselves and tap into our inner strength? That's where meditation comes in. Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries, and its benefits are numerous. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help us to calm our minds, reduce stress, and improve our overall well-being. Imagine yourself taking a few moments each day to simply be, to breathe deeply and let go of the thoughts that weigh you down. That's the power of meditation. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind or achieving some kind of blissful state. It's about becoming more aware of the present moment without judgment. When we meditate, we train our minds to become more focused and resilient. We learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting swept away by them. Think of your mind like a garden. Without tending to it, it can become overgrown with weeds of worry, fear, and self-doubt. Meditation helps us to cultivate the seeds of peace, joy, and compassion that are already present within us. The beauty of meditation is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need any special equipment or prior experience. All you need is a willingness to try and a few minutes of quiet time. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Just as you would prepare a space for a cherished guest, creating a conducive environment for meditation sets the stage for a more profound experience. Begin by choosing a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. It might be a corner of your bedroom, a comfortable chair in your living room, or even a peaceful spot outdoors. Consider the sensory aspects of your environment. Soft lighting or natural sunlight can be very calming. Notice the temperature of the room. Is it too warm or too cool? Adjust it to a level that feels most comfortable for you. Now that you've chosen your space, it's time to find a comfortable seated position. The most important thing is to keep your spine straight, but not rigid. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion on the floor, or if that's not comfortable, sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands gently in your lap, palms facing up or down, whichever feels more natural to you. The goal is to find a balance between ease and stability. Remember, there's no right way to sit. What matters most is that you feel comfortable and supported. One of the most challenging yet rewarding aspects of meditation is learning to be comfortable with silence. In our busy lives, we're constantly surrounded by noise, traffic, music, conversations, television. Meditation offers a rare opportunity to step away from all of that and simply be present in the quiet stillness of the moment. Don't worry if you find your mind racing at first. The goal isn't to stop thinking altogether, but rather to observe your thoughts without judgment and gently guide your attention back to the present moment. If you find the silence unsettling, you can try incorporating some gentle background noise. Nature sounds, such as the sound of rain or ocean waves, can be very calming. The key is to choose sounds that are soothing and won't distract you from your practice. As you settle into your chosen space, take a few moments to appreciate the stillness that surrounds you. Notice the quality of the light, the temperature of the air, the subtle sounds that reach your ears. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment, letting go of any worries or distractions from the day. You might like to set an intention for your practice. What is it that you hope to cultivate during these next 15 minutes? Perhaps it's a sense of peace, clarity, or simply a deeper connection with yourself. A ritual can help to signal to your mind and body that it's time to let go of distractions and turn your attention inward. Close your eyes gently, allowing your eyelids to rest softly. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. You don't need to change the way you're breathing, simply observe the breath as it flows in and out. The breath is your anchor in the present moment. Whenever you find your mind wandering to the past or future, gently guide your attention back to the sensation of the breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Don't judge yourself or try to push these thoughts away. Simply acknowledge them and gently return your attention to your breath. Now bring your attention to your body. Starting with your toes, slowly scan your body with your awareness. Notice any sensations you feel: warmth, coolness, pressure, tingling. As you scan your body, send your breath to any areas that feel tense. Imagine your breath flowing into those areas, softening and releasing any holding. Continue scanning your body, moving from your toes to the top of your head. As you continue to focus on your breath and body, you might notice that your mind wants to wander. It might jump from thought to thought, like a monkey swinging from branch to branch. This is perfectly normal. When you notice your mind wandering, gently acknowledge the thought without judgment. It might be helpful to label it: thinking, worrying, planning, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing through the sky. Just as the clouds eventually pass, so too will your thoughts. We're now ready to begin the first segment of our 15-minute meditation practice. This segment will focus on a specific breathing pattern that can help to calm the nervous system and bring a sense of deep relaxation. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Count to 5 slowly as you inhale. Hold your breath gently at the top of the inhale for a count of 3. Now, exhale slowly and fully through your mouth as if breathing out through a straw for a count of 6. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed, more at ease. Continue this pattern of breathing for the next 5 minutes. Inhale slowly for a count of 5, hold for a count of 3, and exhale for a count of 6. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the counting and the rhythm of your breath. There's no need to judge yourself if you lose track. Simply begin again with the next breath. As you breathe, you might notice subtle sensations in your body. Simply observe them without judgment, allowing them to come and go as they please. If you find yourself feeling lightheaded or dizzy at any point, simply return to your normal breathing pattern. The most important thing is to listen to your body and honor its needs. As you continue this breathing practice, you might begin to notice a sense of calm washing over you. Your thoughts might slow down, and you might feel a sense of spaciousness within. This is the power of focused attention on the breath. It allows us to step out of the constant chatter of the mind and tap into a deeper sense of peace and stillness. You might also notice physical sensations of relaxation. Your muscles might feel looser, your heart rate might slow down, and your breathing might become deeper and more even. As you reach the end of the first 5 minutes, take a moment to acknowledge the stillness you've cultivated. Notice any shifts in your body or mind. As the first 5 minutes of our practice gently come to a close, we'll transition to a slightly different breathing pattern. This shift in rhythm will further encourage a sense of balance and harmony within the body. Release the previous counting pattern and gently bring your awareness back to the natural rhythm of your breath. For this next segment, we'll simplify the breath even further, focusing on a smooth and effortless flow of air. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, ebbing and flowing with ease. Now begin to inhale slowly and gently through your nose for a count of 2. Feel your abdomen gently expand as you draw the breath in. Pause briefly at the top of the inhale, simply noticing the fullness of your lungs. Then exhale slowly and gently through your nose for a count of 2, allowing your abdomen to soften and release. Continue this pattern of breathing for the next 5 minutes, inhaling for 2, pausing briefly, and exhaling for 2. Maintain a sense of ease and fluidity throughout, allowing the breath to flow naturally and effortlessly. As you continue this practice, allow yourself to simply be present with each breath. Notice the subtle sensations of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Let your breath be your guide, anchoring you to this present moment. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. Simply acknowledge them and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Remember, meditation is a practice. Weaving the rhythms, a dance of breath. As we enter the final 5 minutes of our meditation practice, we'll begin to weave together the 2 breathing techniques we've explored. This integration of rhythms will allow for a deeper sense of balance and harmony within the body and mind. Gently transition from the previous 2-count breath back to the first pattern we practiced. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose for a count of 5, feeling your lungs expand fully. Embracing the stillness, savor the gentle rhythm and flow of your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand. Exhale gently, allowing your abdomen to soften and release. Embrace the stillness between each inhale and exhale. As you move through these final minutes, you might notice a sense of integration within your being. The 2 breathing techniques, woven together, create a beautiful tapestry of balance and harmony. Your mind might feel calmer, clearer, and more focused. Your body might feel more relaxed, grounded, and at ease. The breath has served as our anchor throughout this practice, guiding us back to the present moment whenever our minds have wandered. Take a moment to acknowledge the stillness you've cultivated, the awareness you've brought to your breath, and the sense of presence you've embodied during these past 15 minutes. As you gently open your eyes, bring with you the sense of peace and clarity. Notice how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. You might feel more grounded, more centered, or simply more present. Meditation is a gift, a sanctuary for your mind, body, and soul. The benefits extend far beyond these moments. With regular practice, manage stress and cultivate peace in daily life. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Carry with you the tranquility you've cultivated. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the gentle touch of air on your skin. You've discovered a sanctuary within, a place of peace that no external circumstance can disturb. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery that unfolds with each breath. Be present in the world without being swept away by its demands. The more you practice meditation, the more readily available this inner sanctuary becomes. Like a muscle that grows stronger with use, your ability to find stillness amidst the busyness of life will increase. You might notice that you're more patient, more compassionate, more present in your interactions with others. Incorporate this 15-minute practice into your daily routine, making it a non-negotiable part of your day. Find a time that works best for you and commit to nurturing your inner peace.